Okay? And you both. Okay, we play this level. We play this level. Okay, so this is the bad Piggies. Let's do it. You gotta choose the bad Piggies. Oh yeah. We play the Piggies. Get the Piggies. Get the Piggies. Get the Piggies. Oh yeah. Let's freaking go. Let's destroy more Piggies. Let's go right here. Nice. 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 Oh yeah. We did it, boys. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Look, I got 3 stars. Wow. Wow. Okay, I played the game. It's a pretty fun game, bro. So like, if you got other games I should play, tell me in the comments. And like and subscribe for more content.